Hi, it's James from Intelligent Hand Dryers. We've made it our mission to bring hand dryers and washroom accessories to life so that customers can make informed decisions. No sales patter, just clear advice as to which product meets your needs. On our website you'll see testimonials, reviews and case studies of satisfied customers. The Dryflow G-Force MKII is for when you want fast dry times from an adjustable, very energy efficient and robust hand dryer, whilst at the same time making install and any ongoing maintenance as easy and as cheap as possible. These are popular in offices, hotels, senior schools and further education buildings and sports stadiums. The Dryflow G-Force MKII comes with plug and play, hassle-free maintenance. On maximum settings, this is one of the fastest drying hand dryers on the market. It has the option of a solid 1.5mm thick brushed satin or polished chrome stainless steel cover or a steel white epoxy cover. It is highly vandal resistant with plastic parts made of PA6 V0, which is known for its high mechanical strength and good flame resistant properties. The motor speed can reduce to lower the sound levels if required. The base plate includes silent blocks to cushion the mechanical vibrations on the wall. A real innovation in this model is a secure plug and play system phased installation. Should a fault occur, maintenance is faster as anyone can detach the unit from the electrical supply quickly and safely without exposure to electrical components. It also allows for the backplate to be fitted at any time in a washroom refit, with the body of the dryer replaced by anyone when all the other work is completed. Highly adjustable, you can run this at just 420 watts for enhanced energy efficiency, ideal for minimising running costs. The heater element can be turned on or off via an internal switch, making it possible to condition the unit to the user requirements or to further lower energy use and costs. An optional odour neutraliser can be purchased to add a pleasant fragrance to the washroom, put to good use in toilets that are prone to unpleasant smells. If you like this product, make sure you check out our full-length product performance videos and dry time testing available on our website and social media channels.